All right, well, welcome everybody to our monthly ADT. Wow, October is done and dusted. We're already into November. So 10 months down, 1.5 to go, and we're in 2022. And 2022, I know, is going to be significantly better than the last 2 years put together. So welcome to the ADT today. I'm not too sure if we have any guests, but if there are, welcome. You're more than welcome to be part of this family. And you'll see all of this on the recording later on as well. So just a little bit of housekeeping. We have shuffled our program slightly to work around the load shedding issues that's happening around the country. Fortunately, we came back on just a little while ago. But I know other people are going off at various other times at 4 o'clock. So what we'll do is we'll run this session through until about 2:45, at least 4:45, and then we will take a 15-minute break and come back online at 4 o'clock for those who are then kicking in with their power. Thanks for making a plan in the meantime. So let us get the show on the road. And we are going to start with some interesting information, because as we know, this is a business and we have some phenomenal products available. And the person who's going to kick us off today for this ADT, and we're doing it via a recording, so bear with me while I share my screen. And that will be Mandy telling us why we need to use our own products. What's the importance of using our own products? And it's one of the daily habits that we need to be doing. And she's very cleverly given us a recording, so that makes it easy for us to keep timing as well. So I'm going to share sound as well. And I haven't done this one before, so let's see how far we get. And here, Mandy.
Hi, excited Eagle team members and guests. My name is Mandy Roberts. My topic is why use our own products, which is step one of the daily success habits for this business. I feel very blessed and fortunate to have a wonderful range of the Neolife products to choose from. I save myself 20% discount just by being a distributor. If you take the time to look at the price comparison, you will see what I mean about the savings. Just for instance, if you use the home care range, I use 10 items and they will clean everything in your home, your car, your laundry, even the dog. Products are eco-friendly and child-friendly, which is very important to me. My grandchildren make me laugh because when they hear me telling my daughter about any of the products, they always pipe up and say, "Yes, Grand, we know LDC will do the job." Don't forget about all the other ranges. We have a personal care, a skin care range, and a very large nutritional range, which is based in nature and backed by science. You have to use the products to be able to talk about them honestly and with confidence. People can pick up whether you actually use them or not. It is human nature to want to share good things, ideas, and experiences, and the only way to do this is if you use the products and experience the benefits. I am my own best customer. A tip: save one empty container of every product you use, and very soon you will have enough items to do a very impressive display if you ever need to do a demonstration. I hope you enjoy your journey with Neolife, and I'm so glad that we could have outwitted Eskom and their load shedding. Enjoy the meeting. Hi.
Well done, Mandy. Oops, sorry, I'm just going to get rid of that. Okay.
That is what's in for. Okay.
Monday.
Okay, sorry, I'm back again. Right. Well done, Mandy. That was excellent.
Fine.
And yes, we did beat Eskom, didn't we? Right. The next person who is going to share with us is Busi Umsani. And she's going to tell us about time and management, money management in our own business. Because as we know, we are in a business of our own, but not on our own. And when you are self-employed, time and money management is very, very important. Busi, we look forward to hearing your story. Go for it.
Thank you, Sean. Hi, Eagles. It's nice to see you guys during the weekend. As Sean has mentioned, I'm Busi Msane. I'm a qualified senior manager on my way to director. I am a winner and I love this business so much. So I've been given this, the title, Time and Money Management in our new life business. Okay, first of all, let's start with time management. Set aside time for your business, whether done full-time or part-time, otherwise it will not grow. An hour daily focusing on your business for 6 days a week will make a huge difference in your business. Be serious at that time. Treat your business as a proper business. Let no one disturb you when you are doing your business. If you are consistent in doing that, after a month, it becomes a habit. Stick to it. You will succeed. Use this time to grow your names list. Invite new people in your business. Do follow-ups. Service your customers. Train yourself and your downlines. Go out and network in a purpose of growing your business. Reflect on your business. You can do all these things with a teachable downline, and a big change will happen in your business. Give your business time to grow. Let's put more time in our businesses now while we are young and flexible. Be wise and smart. With God on our side, we will make it. We will enjoy the fruits later with our families. Okay, the second part, it's money management. Most of us are in this business to make money, to be financially free. Keep a record of what you do concerning money in your business. Capital for my business is kept in a separate bank account. Make sure you only use it for your business. If a customer gives you money to order products or money given to you before delivery, that's not money to buy food. It's for the business. Be very strict right at the beginning. Be disciplined. You'll be successful. Part of the profits can be enjoyed because we deserve that. But also remember that the profit can boost your business. Do not give products to customers without money. I always tell them, it's a cash business. I paid cash for my products. I need money on delivery or even upfront if it's possible. By doing that, you keep a good relationship with your customers. Develop a good customer base and teach your downlines the same. when we make money in the business, we stay in the business. Our businesses grow and we become successful business owners. So let us manage our business money properly. On closing, I imagine myself being financially free one day, enjoying my dreams, money not a problem, able to help others in need because I like to help other people. You know what? Money gives you options. Let us just do the business. Thank you very much.
Well done. Thank you, Busi. Yes. Money isn't everything, but it ranks up there with oxygen. That's what Zig Ziglar used to say. And it is important. If we can keep our business and our time priorities correct, there's no reason why we cannot thrive in this profession of network marketing and in this business, because we have the best business plan and the best products available in the world today. So yes, we have now learned how to do that. Now we're going to go on and learn about the 3 Ps, which is patience, persistence, and perseverance. And I feel this falls under the personal development, which is another P. And we have a very experienced person to tell us this. And that is none other than Dawn Bender. Dawn, please unmute yourself and take it away.
Hello, everyone. Right, let's hear about the 3 Ps. In network marketing, we need to have patience, persistence, and perseverance to make our business work. Patience, because we're dealing with people. Persistence, because you have to keep the momentum going. And perseverance, because it doesn't always work like you as smoothly as you'd like to have it work. So I'm just going to break down the 3 the way I see it. Patience is defined as to accept or tolerate delay or suffering without becoming annoyed or anxious. Conquer your emotions and overcome yourself. Not easy to do, but it is doable. Allow yourself to go through the process of your business. Start by crawling. If you are grateful for small things, God will grant you big things. Be a patient listener. We have the solution, but be careful who you listen to. Don't let the no's influence you. Each no is a step closer to a yes. So we're going to get lots of yeses. Don't write yourself off and don't write people off. Everyone is different. Know your team and learn to understand where they come from and how to help them. Build relationships, value people, and mentor with them. Stay true to yourself. As Rico Brown says, take time to learn, to think, to plan, to dream, to take action, to smile, and to love. Patience and fortitude conquer all things. And then persistence is continuing in a course of action in spite of difficulty or opposition. Outline your definite action plan and stick with it. Develop discipline with daily success habits and be intentional. Do more of what you're doing now. Go the extra mile. When you do more than you're paid to do, you will get paid for what you do. Keep the momentum going. Persistence is also closely related to personal development and improvement. Keep yourself in the best possible condition. If there's something wrong, sort it out. Whatever it takes, avoid procrastination. Attend all functions wherever they are available every month. Keep on sowing your seed, for you never know which will grow. Perhaps all of it will. Persistence breaks down resistance. When your people qualify and get others up and running, keep sponsoring. Manage your team consistently. Send out newsletters every month. Vaccinate yourself against excusitis. the disease of failures. Successful people don't make excuses. I read a quote which says, I find the great thing in this world is not so much where we stand as to what direction we are moving. So move we must. And also, to reach the port of heaven, we must sail sometimes with the wind and sometimes against it. But we must sail and not drift or lie at anchor. And then the last one, perseverance. Perseverance is persistence in doing something despite difficulty and achieving success. Don't be afraid to fail. Perseverance comes from falling and getting up again. And Vic and I know all about that. Keep your goals in mind. Set clear benchmarks. Be 1% better every day. Never give up or quit, ever. There is a price-reward ratio that we all must live by. If you want the rewards, however you define them, then you must pay the price. Fail to pay the price and life says you don't get the prize. Have the guts, as Charlie says, to go out and do what is holding you back. Take ownership of your business. We have to work out what God works in, and great works are performed not by strength, but by perseverance. So keep on keeping on. Thank you.
Excellent, thank you. Yes,
Awesome.
never, ever, ever give up, because
Yeah.
the next step takes you closer to your goal. And if you give up one step too soon, it's such a waste. Learn from the mistakes, keep persevering, and the sky is the limit. Thanks, Dawn. Right, now I get the fun job of explaining to you what makes Neolife different. We know we're different. We know our products, and we know that they are the best products in the world. Why? What is the difference? And to help me over there, I've put together a little bit of a PowerPoint, so I'm going to share my screen again. I found PowerPoints are quite fun and they help to keep me on track. Let's just shrink that down so that I've got my presentation going. There we go. Right. So, what makes Neolife different? First of all, it's created by doctors and scientists. The Neolife Scientific Advisory Board sits at the helm of Neolife's product strategy and development, ensuring each and every one of our leading edge formulas are based in nature and backed by science, using only the finest and safest ingredients available. The SAB is made up of world-class doctors, scientists, and health experts who share our commitment to end the trend. This is the team that is behind us. Originally headed up by Dr. Arthur First, one of the most amazing scientific brains in the world, in my opinion. But the people who are still alive and heading up our SAB right now are the best of the best. And they, in turn, share a lot of information with the other best of the best, known as our Health Professions Council. And we have people around the world, we have universities around the world who are doing research continuously, and everything is vetted and approved by our Scientific Advisory Board members. The whole food-based cellular nutrition is our key. And for over 60 years, generations of families around the world have counted on Neolife to do what no other company can do, and that is to produce products that are based on the finest whole food, human food chain ingredients and proven effective by millions of satisfied customers. So this is not just hearsay. This is not just my aunties, uncles, grandparents had a good result once. This is continual development and continual satisfaction. Since we are only as healthy as our cells, we use only the most bioefficient forms of nutrients, meaning only the form that can be absorbed by your cells to maximize nutrient absorption, utilization, and benefit to the body. Because it's no good having amazing ingredients and your body can't actually use them. That's just a waste. And this is the classic little sketch that we have of the difference between an unhealthy cell and a healthy cell that has got TRNN in it to allow us to absorb all the nutrients and process them out. I don't have time to get into that right now, but please speak to the person who invited you to this to ask them a little bit more about that information. We only use non-GMO products or ingredients. Near-life products use only GMO, which is genetically modified organisms, free. And that means that there are no GMOs in the ingredients, and they are routinely tested for potential contaminants. Near-life requires that suppliers and manufacturers guarantee that all raw materials are free from genetically modified DNA and genetically modified organisms. We then validate and closely monitor each and every ingredient in our laboratories and manufacturing facilities. Near-life have their own labs and manufacturing facilities. There is full traceability from the farm to the table. Our state-of-the-art quality assurance program includes these 10 steps for full traceability from farm to table. First of all, meticulous seed selection. So they're not just going to randomly take whatever seeds there were, they're going to take the best. They then ensure that there is pristine soil and environment where those seeds are planted. Because again, it doesn't help just having the best and putting it into a bit of a trashy environment. We need the best soil and best environment. There's field crop monitoring ongoing. There's a nutrient optimizing harvest. So what that means is they harvest the produce at the best time to get the greatest nutrient benefit. There's quality control in the raw crop analysis. The nutrient extraction and concentration is done under meticulous conditions. There's purity and potency verification. There's social responsible manufacturing. So they make sure that when they manufacture, everything is done according to the book, and they wrote the book. So they've made sure it's the best of the best. There's quality control and laboratory analysis on an ongoing basis. The one lab I heard did in excess of over 4,000 tests from the time that the raw ingredients came into the laboratory to the time that they were released as the finished product. And product delivery and batch tracking is unique and carefully done. We don't have hearsay results. We don't have stories that were written up in the local U magazine or Reader's Digest. We have clinically proven human clinical studies that are the results are published in peer-reviewed medical journals. Human clinical studies, sorry, my time is almost up, prove the effectiveness of near-life products and have been published in some of the world's most prestigious scientific journals, including the Journal of the American College of Nutrition, the International Journal of Toxicology, the FASEB Journal, and the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Human clinical studies are a unique point of pride for near-life. In a world where yeast and animal studies remain the predominant choice, meaning that other companies do animal studies and they study on fungus, basically, to tell you that their product is safe for human consumption. How do they know? We use humans. The Near-Life continues to research and publish studies for breakthrough supplements and organic skincare. They use a pharmaceutical license for manufacturing. This is a voluntarily accepted license, meaning that most other nutritional companies will not manufacture under a pharmaceutical license. They will manufacture under their own license, and that is not vetted carefully like a pharmaceutical license. Neolife owns and operates state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities that surpass the most stringent global GMP, which stands for Good Manufacturing Practice, standards and manufacturing regulations. This includes a drug license from the state of California, as well as the esteemed drug license from the Therapeutic Goods Administration, or TGA, of Australia, which very few manufacturers in the United States are able to obtain. Although we do not manufacture drugs, we hold these licenses and others as validation of our exceptional quality standards. We are registered with the FDA, which is the Federal Drug Administration, and operate under their regulation and compliance. We have formed strategic partnerships. Neolife's reputation for scientific excellence is so well established that our products have been used by researchers from renowned bodies such as the United States Department of Agriculture, UNESCO, and major universities and scientific institutions around the world. These are just some of them with those little logos in the top left-hand corner there. Neolife is a founding member and major contributor to the Plant Phenolics and Human Health Research Interest Group, known as FENRIG, and has been able to partner with the Stanford University Health Library and the Linus Pauling Institute. We also partner with the University of San Francisco to award the annual Arthur First Undergraduate Scholarship. Neolife is also a member for the Council for Responsible Nutrition. Through these ongoing programs, Neolife is changing the face of healthcare and disease prevention through nutrition by actively supporting today's scientists and tomorrow's doctors. We are also a member of the DSA. We are on a mission to make the world a healthier and happier place. Won't you join us? We are privileged to get to know you. That is the difference of Neolife. Those who are using products will know what the difference is because you felt the difference. It is not just hearsay. It is proven science. Right, everybody, we only have a couple of minutes left for this first session, which means, unfortunately, that we will not have time to get into the next section just yet. What we're going to do is something slightly different. Normally, we only have a very quick break. So we are going to have a we're going to have a half-hour break, in fact, because I see it's only 3:30 at the moment. So if we can come back at 4 p.m. So everybody who is logged on now, please log back on again at 4 p.m. so that we can continue with part 2. We're doing this so that those who are currently in the dark will be able to utilize their screen sharing and be able to give us a good presentation for part 2. So I do realize it is only 3:31 according to my watch over here. I hope, yeah, it's only 3:31 according to my watch. So please, we're going to sign off now, and please sign back on again at 4 p.m.